Good morning, all. Today, in this session, we are going to see how to add syllabus in the Eduplus ERP system. So, to add the syllabus, it is the role of course owner who is going to teach the subject as well as who is going to decide the course plan and syllabus, or we are going to add the syllabus of that particular subject. So, for this, first of all, we need to log into our ERP system via using our credentials. Then we click on the academics here. Once we click on the academics, these three tab will be open: academic calendar, course plan, and student attendance. So here we click on the course plan. Then here the academic year and semester will be appear here. So this is academic year is 2025-26 and semester second. So then we click on the fetch button. Then here at the lower side, here whatever the load that we that is assigned to that particular faculty will be appear here. That is the engineering graphics for C division as well as engineering graphics for D division. And this syllabus tab will be available only for the course owner. It is not available for the course instructor who is going to only going to teach the subject. This is only will available for the course owner for that particular course. So then I will click here on the syllabus. So here this is the unit, add to unit for the course. It is the subject name is engineering graphics and the code for this subject is 25 ASH 2207. So here first of all we add unit number here 1, that is the default unit number 1. Then here we add the unit name of that particular unit, and here there is a semicolon separated or comma separated. Then on the beside this we are going to open this our syllabus of that particular subject. So this is our subject for that particular engineering graphics subject. So I will copy the name of the unit only here. Then we are just copied the name of the unit here, and don't forget to make it comma separated, and then we click on the save button. So once we click on the save button, that unit name will be appear here at the lower side. Now now the second will be the second unit. Then we click on this, copy all this name of second unit name, copy, and then we'll paste it here. Again here don't forget to make it comma separated and save. Now what is the use of this comma separated and semicolon separated? We can add all the unit names in one stroke. So for that the comma separated is used. But here we are going to add one by one unit names. So I will copy it here, then paste it here. To avoid any human error, we are going to add one by one topic names. This is third topic. Then the next topic is the fourth one. Copy the fourth topic name, Control C, copy, and paste it here, comma separated, save, go for the next one, copy. So we are doing for this for all the topics. First of all, we add all the topic name here, unit names. So this unit name will be continually keep changing as we adding the units, comma separated, save. Once we add all the unit names, then all the units will appear here. Syllabus, all the units will appear on this lower side. Now this is the unit names that we add. After that, to add the topics, that is this is the unit names. We go for the syllabus structure here. So this is the unit name, Introduction to Engineering Drawing and AutoCAD, and these are the topics that we are going to cover under this first unit. That is Introduction to Engineering Drawing, lettering and numbering, and all these points that we are going to cover under that topic. So after adding these unit names, the next task is to add the topic for that particular unit, under that particular unit. So for that, we are going to click on the add topic. So once you click on the add topic, next window will pop up, and there here we will start with the unit number 1, introduction to engineering drawing and AutoCAD, and the topic is first topic. Now, in this syllabus, we have decided to assign 7 lectures for this first topic. So for that, I will copy all this, or we can add one by one. No issue. Let's just like earlier point. So I will add it here, all the syllabus first. Then don't forget to make it comma separated. And here we are going to put the comma where we want to separate the lecture. It means there are 7 lectures I am going to assign for this. It means there will be 7 commas for there. So this introduction to drawing. So this is the first lecture. Letter A numbering, this is second lecture. Types of projection. First angle, third angle. Here there is a comma, that will be third. System and rules and dimensioning, this is the fourth lecture. Introduction to CAD software, this is the fifth. Basic 2D commands, this is the next lecture. So we can change it, no issue. So suppose I want to change that, I want to cover introduction to engineering in first lecture. So at the end I will put the comma here. Later on numbering one lecture, so here we will comma. Then under the type of projection, I will cover the first angle method in the first lecture of this point. So I will put the comma here, and this third angle method in the second lecture. So I will put the comma here. I will just copy paste this types of projection. I will copy this and I will paste it here, so that the point becomes now, that is the types of projections, and the next is the types of projection third angle. Then systems and rules of dimensioning, this is next lecture, so I will put the comma here. Then introduction to CAD software, this is next lecture, and basic 2D commands. Draw cut toolbar, here I will need to remove the comma here, otherwise it will form the next lecture. So remove the comma here, remove the brackets, no issue. So like this, it will be distributed into 7 lectures. See, introduction to engineering drawing first lecture, lettering and numbering second lecture, types of projections and first angle method as third lecture, types of projection third angle, this is the fourth lecture, systems and rules of dimensioning fifth lecture, introduction to CAD software, this is the fifth lecture, sixth lecture, and this is the seventh lecture. So like this, we mark the commas. Don't put the comma at the end, otherwise it will create another lecture, and here it should be comma separated. And then we click on the save button. Once we click on the save button, all the topics will appear here on the 7 format. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lectures. The entire topic is divided into 7 lectures. Then we are going to close this, so that we'll go to the back lecture. So here we make this refresh button, click on the refresh button. Then under the first topic, there will be the 7 units will appear here. Similarly, we are going to add all the topics, because here add topic. Then here copy all these points, and similar to last topic, we are going to assign 7 lectures for this. So here we copy this, and here the comma separated, and we put the 7 commas here. So projection of point, this is the first point. So projection of points in all 4 quadrants, first comma, second this one. So I'm going to assign one more lecture for this. So I will just copy paste this. I will paste it here. This is the third lecture. You can change it as per the, as you are the, we are the course owner. I can manage the lectures in this. Then projection of line inclined to both planes, both reference planes. This should be excluding the traces. So I will put the comma here. Or We put the comma here. Remove the dots, and these are simple problems. So, first lecture, this is the projection of points. Projection of points in all quarters. Second lecture, shortest distance between 2 points. Third lecture, projection of line. Fourth lecture, projection of line is inclined to both reference plane. This is the fifth lecture. And simple application based problems on projection of lines. This is the sixth lecture. So we need to add one more lecture. So for this, I will add this point one more time like this. So this will be divided into seven lectures. First lecture, second lecture, third lecture, fourth lecture, fifth lecture, sixth and seventh. And then we click on the save button. Once we click on the save button, these 7 points will appear here. Then we are going to close this, and in this window we are going to click on the refresh. So like this, all 7 points will be appear here. Similarly, we will apply for the. We are going to add all the topics here. After adding all the syllabus, it will appear like this. This is the unit name, that is unit topic name, and these are the points under that topics. So these are the units and these are the topics under that. So like this, when you add all the syllabus into this, there are 6 topics are there. Like this, I add all the topics. After this, we are moving towards to add the course plan for this. So after adding syllabus, we are need to click on the course plan. So here is the subject engineering graphics, so 2025-26 semester 2 for the FY. So all that 42 topics that I have added, that will appear here like this. Now we are going to include this all the points into the course plan. So for that, what to do? First of all, click the unit number here 1, then click on add save button. So like this, one by one we need to add this like this. Take care that don't add all the points in a single click. If you add like this, if you add all the points or 2 to 3 points in single click, it will appear like that, that all the points will cover in single lecture. So that's why we need to add one by one lecture like this. So this activity, as 42 lectures are there for this syllabus, so like this we need to carry out or do this activity for 42 times for the course plan. So this work we need to do in the login of course owner. Once we add in through the course owner tab, then and then only it will appear in the login of instructor. So after this completion of this activity, course owner can schedule all the lectures as per his or her slots, available slots into the timetable. So one by one we need to complete this. Once we add all the points in our course plan, it seems like this in our course plan. Below this is a course plan for the 42 lectures. While adding all the points into the course plan, if anybody or any course owner wants to change the course plan sequence, or we can say syllabus sequence, it means if I want to cover first topic in the beginning, then I would want to jump to the third topic, then he can change it to here only. If want to do like that, plan for first topic first, then we can directly jump to the next topic here only, then and then only we can schedule it through our constructor tab. And while adding one more point is that here it should be appear is the one lecture. It should be for one lecture only. It means one, two, three. Sometimes it may possible that while adding, it may possible that due to the network issue, it will three, three like this, four, four. Multiple times we can add. So that lecture we can delete it here only. Before going to schedule, you can delete any lecture from this. Once scheduling is done, we cannot delete this course plan. So when this is completed, this point is completed, we are going for the next tab, that is the schedule tab. So here we click on the schedule button, and here all that lectures, 42 lectures will be look like here, 40 lectures, and here that faculty, the course owner is need to uh, put the date of lecture here. Date wise we can plan all the lectures, so that will be included into the schedule, and this is the work of the course. After course owner, this the next step is done by the course instructor. As many number of divisions are there, that many times we need to do this scheduling, but only the course plan and the syllabus that should be added by the course owner only. It should not be done by the course instructor. Course instructor, after this course plan, the next task will be performed by the course instructor, that is scheduling and execute. So like this, first of all we add the course plan and then scheduling. Thank you very much.